Hello, I'm David Brown from the Solidworks training team. When I am working on designs using Solidworks on the cloud with apps like Xdesign, I like to manage and access my content using bookmarks. In this video, I'll show you a few of the things that you can do with bookmarks, like adding content, arranging columns, editing information, accessing user assistance, and opening content. Let's get started. Here I have a component of a design I am working on that I would like to add to a bookmark that I already have for the assembly that this component belongs to. At the top of the interface, you will notice I have tabs for the different apps that I like to use and a tab titled Bookmarks. I'll click the top level name of the component in the Design Manager and drag it over the Bookmark tab to activate it, and continue to drag and then drop the component onto the bookmark for the assembly. In this case, the French cleat system. Now the component is added to the bookmark. Since I made this new component by copying an existing one, the description needs to be changed. I'll right-click the new component and select Information from the context menu. Click the pencil to edit and change the description as appropriate. When finished, I'll click Save and Close to exit the dialog. The bookmark interface displays a lot of information about the products. You can arrange the columns of information any way you wish. I like to have the Is Last Revision column near the front, so I will click and drag it there. There is a row of icons across the top of the bookmark interface that provide a variety of commands to manage content and bookmarks. If you hover your cursor over an icon, a tooltip appears with a detailed explanation of the command, and you can click More Help to launch the User Assistance panel with even more information. This is a great way to explore the software and learn about each command. To open content from bookmarks, right-click the item, hover your cursor over Open With in the context menu, and select the app from the drop-down. In this case, I'll choose Xdesign to open the full assembly. Bookmarks are a great way to organize and manage your content on the cloud. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this content helpful, visit the site below to access more content regarding Xdesign.